In this video, I'll detail how to enable AirDrop on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you want to use AirDrop on your iPhone on your iOS 18 device, you need to manually enable this if you have not used it before. So there are two ways to do this. You can enable the AirDrop via your iPhone settings and through the control center. So if at the end of this video you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do when you want to turn on AirDrop on your iPhone is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and then you want to click on general. Once you selected general, scroll down and locate AirDrop. Click on that. Now to turn on AirDrop, there are two things you can do here. You can choose contact only. This is going to make your iPhone AirDrop available to only your contacts. And here you can choose everyone for 10 minutes. This is going to make your AirDrop available to everyone using iPhone with AirDrop for 10 minutes. However, for quick use or to make it fast to use AirDrop on your iPhone, just come here and turn on bring devices together. So whenever you bring your iPhone to another iPhone together, you'll be able to share device using AirDrop. You'll be able to share documents, data, or apps using AirDrop. Another thing you need to do here is make sure you turn on use mobile data. So this is going to make sure that you continue sending the document or file while using AirDrop over the data if the device is no longer close by. Then turn this on. After that, this is going to turn on AirDrop on your iPhone. Now, another way you can use to turn on AirDrop on your iPhone on iOS 18 is to open the control center just like this. Then you need to make sure the AirDrop is added to the control center. If it is missing, press and hold the control center like this. Click on add the control. Then scroll down and locate connectivity. The AirDrop is under connectivity. You need to add connectivity to your iPhone control center before you can add the AirDrop to control center. Then once click on that, it's going to be added to control center just like this. Now to enable AirDrop on this control center, you can just turn on AirDrop like this by clicking on the AirDrop icon just like this. And this is going to turn on the AirDrop. However, if you can't do that, just hold the connectivity button just like this. This is going to open all the features under the connectivity button. As you can see, the AirDrop receiving is off. Tap AirDrop. Then you should see this menu comes up as well. Contact only for every 10 minutes for everyone. Just go ahead and choose whichever one you want to use. Then you can see AirDrop is available for everyone and what AirDrop is available for contact only. So this is how you can easily turn on AirDrop on iPhone on iOS 18. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.